guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm using a little bit of kit. We're going to see how it goes. It's like a mobile phone holder that will sort of hold my phone, but the thing is I need to see how steady it's going to be, whether there's going to be too much vibration with it and where it's going to be best to put it. So we're just going to give it a little try. Going to take a little bit of a ride along Poniente fronts and see how it does go, whether I get too much vibration or not. May work, may not. We're just going to have to try it and see, guys. It's one of those things. And it also depends on what sort of view I get, whether it moves about so much. So comments on this video down below on what you think, whether there is too much vibration or whether you think it works. May need moving somewhere else. Get a little less vibration, I don't know. It's kind of stuck on my speed thing at the moment. So you're gonna have to let me know, guys. Busy down here today. Sun's out. Shining bright. Some oranges there for €1. I've got plenty of oranges at the moment though. Don't really need any more. I don't want to go too fast. I think that's maybe going to vibrate it a bit too much. Sun's come out now. Crossover. Just going along the beautiful Poniente fronts. One of my favourites, much quieter than Levante ends. Of course you've got the fabulous Bali building and the in-tempo building along here. And you can see from both ends, to be honest, but you do get a better view this end. Must be warm today because there's people in the sea. And of course the usual people exercising on the beach. I mean, why not? If you want to get fit, guys, why not do it on the beach in the sunshine? So I really hope that this video isn't vibrating too much. Just trying different things, different ways, guys. More people down there exercising in the sun. It's like that class has ended, starting to come back up. Oh, excuse me. Oh. It's a beautiful, stunning day today. It's lovely to see people enjoying the beach. Though I don't know why the beach is quite raked up lately. It's the same on Levante. Used to be when they raked the beach, it would be smoothed out. Now it's still very ridgy when they rake it. Maybe they've got a new rake, I don't know. But it does make a bit of a mess of the beach. A bit of a scooter convoy. Beautiful along here. Always so quiet as well. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit that like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video.
Pero entonces quedan convertidos los que te dan